That bird is huge.
I saw baby birds. Look, there's mama. And there's babies. Oh my goodness, so cute. I wonder how much longer before they're gonna jump. Because that's a long, hard, painful way down. See? Okay, I have extra pillows. I know what I'm gonna do. Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. In previous videos I've mentioned mama bird making a nest and laying some eggs in a hanging basket that we had at the front porch, so I didn't get to plant my hanging baskets as soon as I wanted to. So I just wanted to show you how things are going with mama bird. I took a few videos and pictures to show you guys along the way of mama bird. She got real big and swollen looking. I don't know if that's normal. She'd already laid her eggs at that point, so I don't know, but she was fine. I got a video for you too. At least 2 babies in there. They were so cute. And all is well. All is well now. So I just wanted to show you this cycle of life, and hope you enjoy it. So I'll show you that now. Thanks. Okay. Hi. Oh, I'm stuck. Hey, friends. Oh. Okay. Pillow. Blanket. Let's see. How do we want to do this? Maybe like this. Okay. And then maybe like this. Is that crazy? Okay. Does that look right? Say jump. I hope that'll work. I feel like I need something right here in this space. Okay, another blanket. Okay. Okay, so if we stand under the basket. Yeah, that might work. Well, hold on. Do that. Wait. Oh, please don't poop on my head. Okay. Like that? Yeah. Yeah, that should do it. Okay. Bye. Whenever mama bird's done up here, we'll get those hanging baskets put in. Mama bird has finally, well, her babies have finally left, and so has she. So it's time to finally plant these things up. So, which one is it? Oh, oops. The roots might be drowning. Crap. So these dry out really fast, and I wanted to make the water stay in better. Let's deal with this one first. We got a ton of rain. I didn't even think about this. Yeah, I just saw a huge thing of water. So these ones were doing like amazing, the best. And I think it was because the water was staying and they weren't drying out. Then with all that rain, the roots must have gotten drowned or Yeah, basically, I guess, drowning the roots. Yeah, that's sopping wet. Oh, please survive. You were doing so amazing before. Oh, that's sad. Oh, the trash bag. Oh. Does not look cute after all. Ugh. Well, you know what? That's how it's staying this year. Okay, so we got purple, 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 white. Yeah, that'll work. It's supposed to be 2 purple, 2 white, but one was mislabeled. Okay. Oh, I didn't think the trash bags would be that noticeable. Oh, not cute. Oh well. Oh well. Y'all, so I thought these were weeds growing everywhere, and I freaking yanked them out. And like, they were growing up everywhere. So here they are, beautiful. I'll try to remember that for next year. And then this, whatever this was that I planted, one's finally bloomed. Taller was supposed to be in the back, so I don't know why this is so tall and up here, but it is. So we're just gonna leave it, even though it really doesn't look good with this petunia situation I'm trying to have back here, but oh well. Hello, Tater. I love you. Hi, Tater. Yes, you're a good girl. All right, hanging baskets are done. So yay. Oh my goodness, look at these lilies. Oh my word. Love, love, love. They're so pretty. They're kind of weird looking. They don't last the whole season. But I also know I'm going to move them because they're out of place here being so tall. But just so beautiful. Love. Love it. All right. See you next time. Have a wonderful day. Aren't Aren't these lilies beautiful? Oh my goodness.